Here we have a pretty lengthy example to show a lot of the ideas that go along with solving equations. I'm going to start by distributing. As I distribute this 4, I'll take 4 times 2x, which creates 8x. 4 times negative 3 creates negative 12. And then next I have to distribute this negative 5, and that produces negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And a negative 3 is not associated with the parentheses, so I just bring that negative 3 straight down. On the other side of the equation, I have an example of where I'm going to distribute a fraction across the set of parentheses. So do 2/3 6, which actually is done by going 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So my first term is 4x. In a similar way, negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 2, negative 6. These terms on the end are brought straight down unchanged. Negative x plus 1. Now, one of the key components of solving equations is that you should combine like terms. You should keep it simple, silly. And so before I try to move any terms, I'm going to combine all my like terms. 8x, take away 5x, for the left-hand side would just be 3x. I'm left with nothing but constants now. Negative 12 and 10 is negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 3 is negative 5. So you see the left side of the equation pretty much broke down fairly quickly. On the right side of the equation, do a similar thing. 4x take away x is simply 3x. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. A key idea here, as you look at this, we see the reflexive property just staring at us. If we follow the mechanics of solving an equation, we want to get the variables to one side, the constants to the other. So I elect to move this 3x over here and this negative 5 over there. As such, I could write this as 3x, original term written first, migrating term written second, I change its sign, minus 3x, equals negative 5, migrating term comes over as plus 5, and I get this solution that says 0 equals 0. My variables dropped out. Every once in a while this will happen. Variables drop out, you're left with a true statement. You answer by saying all reals. The significance of this symbol, it says any number that I plug into the original equation will work. This means that there's an infinite number of solutions. Any number you think of works. That's the all reals solution. The all reals solution.